Hi lovelies! Let me show you how to make a simple sleeve that will fit in every dress that you make. So here you are going to draw your starting line. You can see my starting line there with the red marker. So, so after drawing your starting line, you measure 9 inches or 10 inches depending on your size, but 10 inches is the best, so because it's for every size. So after that, you come down by 5 inches at the edge of your 10 inches point. So then you measure in 2.5 from the side of your paper. You can see what I'm doing here, 2.5. Then you use your curve ruler, straight ruler, to draw a straight line on the line that you marked out. That is the 5 inches that you came down with. Then you use your curve ruler to blend. Use your curve ruler to blend. Just watch what I'm doing, okay? Use your curve ruler to blend it this way. So that is all. The next thing, you will measure the length of your sleeve, measure the your ankle or wherever it will reach. Just measure there, and then you draw a straight line. Just watch what I'm doing. You measure. This is the length of my sleeve that I'm measuring now. So after coming down by the length of my sleeve, then you see the next thing that I will do. So use your straight ruler to draw a straight line. Okay. Then measure your sleeve, my round sleeve. That is my ankle circumference. Then I will mark it. Then I will use my curve ruler to blend. You know that part of our hand is not straight. It's somehow curvy, like our lap too. Our inner thigh is curved. So at this point, yeah, I noticed that the line, my line, passed when I was trying to blend it. You see what I will do? I will remeasure my that place there. So from that my 5 inches, I will measure. Look at it. I will measure to make sure it's exact 9.5 that I used from the top line. So then I will blend it very well. So that is all for the sleeve. If you follow this process, and make the your sleeve this way, it will fit in every dress you'll be doing. So right now I'm going to cut it out. That is all. I'll cut it out. So what any dress I want to make now, just use this pattern to cut out my sleeve. Very easy and simple, and it fits. Just give it a try. I've been using it for long. This is beginners friendly, so this is strictly for beginners, though advanced can use it, because me, I used to use this method though. If I'm sewing my shirt now, I will just cut it like this, pium, and when I fix it, it will sit well. So the shirts I made, that's how I made them. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe, and comment. Kudos.